I'm the head of the motherfucking state, nigga. I brought you change.
Yeah, I'm talking re. Yeah, I'm talking B. Nigga, I'm talking me.
Oh, weren't you the one who tried to hurt me with goodbye? You think I crumble? You think I...
You can blow with this, you can blow with that. You can blow with this, or you can blow with that.
And I said, I don't care if they lay me off either, because I told Bill that if they move my desk,
let's go.
Oh shit, shake that ass while moving like a gypsy. Stop, ball, back it up now, let me see your hips. The bass cannon kick it.
The wonderful thing about Tiggers is Tiggers are wonderful things. The tops are made out of rubber, the bottoms are made out of spring. The bouncy, trouncy, flouncy, pouncy, fun, 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 fun.
The lady wanna kill it, misery love company, and that's the real shit. But in 2005 I'm on some kill shit. For a nigga sneak up on me and peerless, taking a stand.